for our next question, we know, so Bob Moses had a vision to create a gateway to equality to raise the floor of mathematics literacy for young people of color. And he said that in the fluency in math and science was the road to economic justice for people of color, and that the education was the last area of civil rights that had never been fully addressed. And even today, many schools are still segregated and racially separated. So can you talk to the ways that Algebra Project addresses this?
Bill, can you take a crack at that?
Sure. So there are, let me kind of split that into two domains. Right? The Algebra Project specifically works with schools, inside of schools. Most of our activity and our energies are spent working with teachers, really looking at the question of what do we need to teach, how do we need to teach it, and how do we assess, right, what we've taught in a way that opens up the mathematics for all children, and particularly for those children which society thinks can't do mathematics. And for those students who themselves have unfortunately acquired that same perspective. Part of that work with teachers is to help them realize that you may be teaching mathematics, but there is a broader perspective that you also need to acquire.